In today's episode, we're dealing with the door on the trash can bin. So if you want to see what I came up with, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, we have this trash can bin or cabinet, if you want to say. And I noticed the door was leaning one day, and I told my husband that it was leaning. So when I came back over to put trash in it, well, the whole top hinge just came loose. So we took the bottom part off so we wouldn't break the whole thing. But as I got to doing research, I started seeing that there could be a brace put on this door where the whole door slides out with the trash can. So I was like, let me see if I can find that, right? So your girl started doing some research. So let me show you what I found. Okay, I looked on Amazon and to see what they had, and then I found this Rev-A-Shelf company where they do with garbage cans under the counter and other cabinet usage. So I ordered this brace, and of course it comes with all the screws and everything that comes with it. And it has these pieces, these arms. Let me pull it out the plastic. It has this one here. It's an adjustable arm. And then it has these longer arms that hook to the railing on the trash bin. So we're going to see what all this does. Let me take it all out the box. So it comes with two of these. And two of these that look like boots. Okay, now let me open this. Now it comes with the instruction manual, of course, to tell you how to hook all this up. So my goal is try to get this done before my husband comes back. That's my goal. Now it shows you in different pictures and things of how to attach these. And I noticed on ours that it does have the place for it down here on the bottom. So that is my goal, is to hook all this up to ours and hook the door on. It shows you how to do all the adjustments. Turn the right way. The adjustments on how to get it all done so you can hook your door to your trash bin. Now, my ultimate goal, let me get the picture, that I need a Phillips head screwdriver and a drill to accomplish this. These are the tools that I need. It says it takes about 20 minutes. Now, my goal is to make it look like this, where the door is on the bin, so all you do is catch the door and pull the door open. That is my goal. Because pulling the cabinet open like a regular cabinet wears out the holes where the screws go in. So let's see what I can get into. Okay, you see I've taken the trash cans out. Now I'm going to be obedient and read the steps.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, walk on. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. I be thinking, oh, must keep thinking in my head. Like bum bum bum, roll back then rotation. Take a risk and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
Okay, now here comes the true test. You can pull out and pull in. Look at that. Handle to pull it out, pull it in. You need a little adjusting right here, but oh no. Job completed. Ooh. It wasn't that hard. It was just trying to get the leveling done. So now when we pull in the trash, we don't have to pull the door open. We can catch the handle and slide it out. Slide it back in. But I do want to find me a couple of more screws like these little ones that are in here. I want to get at least 3 more to put 6 on each brace to hold this tight. That's my sanity. So there it is. Now, an easy job to do. I got the cabinet door attached to the trash can bin. So now it won't be that swinging and falling off and trying to fix the screw holes. It's all slide in and out. I'm glad I was able to do that. And I got it done within the 20-minute time. So, well, maybe 25. But I got it done before my husband gets home. So when he gets home, that'll be something I can surprise him with to show that it's done. So I'll catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.